Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with SCK. Welcome to today's lesson on articles in English grammar. In this lecture, we will learn about articles, their types, their rules, usage, common mistakes, and practice questions. Articles are very important because they help us understand whether we are talking about something specific or general. Many students make mistakes while using a, an, and the. So by the end of this lesson, you will understand their usage clearly. Let's begin. Articles are words that come before nouns and help define whether the noun is specific or non-specific. In simple words, articles tells about a person, place, thing or idea. For example, I bought a book. Here a means any book, not a particular one. I bought the book. Here the means a specific book. So articles give more meaning and clarity to our sentences. There are three types of articles in English grammar: the definite article, the indefinite articles a and the zero article no articles. First, indefinite articles a and a. These are used when we talk about something general, not specific. For example, a pen, an orange, the book, on the table. Third is zero article. This means no article is used. For example, water is important. Children loves toys. Now we will study these one by one. Definite article. The definite article is the. We use the when the listener or reader already knows what we are talking about. For example, the sun rises in the east. There is only one sun, so it is specific. The book on the table is mine. We are talking about one particular book. We also use the before superlative adjectives. For example, the most beautiful flower, the best student, the tallest building, the most beautiful flower. Remember, the is used for specific or unique things. An apple, an hour. Hour stands with H, but H is silent here, so the word begins with the vowel sound hour. Focus on sound, not spelling. Remember that. Now the next, sometimes we do not use any article. This is called a zero article. We use no article for plural nouns in a general sense. For example, children loves games. Water is essential for life. Children loves games here is a plural noun. Okay, and water is essential for life is uncountable noun. Water is uncountable noun. Now, for names of people in many countries, we do not use article. For example, Ali is my friend. Pakistan is beautiful. Remember, general idea often do not use articles. Mainly do. Students often mistakes with articles. Let's look at some examples. She is a honest girl. The correct answer is she is an honest girl because H is silent in honest. Second example is the life is beautiful. The correct one is life is beautiful because we are talking about life generally. Remember, always focus on pronunciation, not meaning. Let's test our understanding. Read each question carefully and think before answering. Do not immediately look at the answer. Try to solve it by yourself. Which article is used before vowels a and the? Correct answer is B, an. The sun is dash star. A and the. Answer is A. Dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Answer is B. Water is dash essential resource. Water is an essential resource because essential is starts with E sound with the vowel sound. articles. Now let's discuss some advanced rules. Rule number 1, use an for professional and jobs. For example, he is a doctor, she is an engineer. Rule number 2, a or an for singular nouns representing a class. For example, a cat is an animal. This means all cats generally. Rule number 3, the use the for unique things. For example, the earth, the moon, the sun. Rule number 4, use the when the nouns has already been mentioned. For example, I saw a dog. The dog was barking. Let's learn more rules. Rule number 1, no articles with males. For example, I had breakfast. We ate lunch. Here we don't need to use articles. Rule number 2, no articles with language. English is global. I speak English. She learns Urdu. Rule number 3, no articles with sports. He plays football. He plays cricket. Rule number 4, use the with group of people. For example, the poor, the rich, the elderly. Special uses of the. There are special cases where the is always used, like with rivers, the Nile, the Indus, with oceans, the Atlantic Oceans, with mountain ranges, the Himalayas, with newspapers, the Dawn, the Times. These names are treated as specific entities. So we use here the. Use some advanced mistakes. He plays the cricket. The incorrect answer. The correct one is he plays cricket. Sports generally do not use articles. The next one is the milk is good. Correct answer is milk is good because milk is used generally. Remember, think carefully whether you are talking generally or specifically. She is a honest girl. A is wrong here. An honest girl because H is silent and O gives the vowel sound. The life is beautiful. Incorrect. Life is beautiful. We do not use the before life. This MCQs again. He is dash engineer. A and the. We use N before words that begin with a vowel sound. Engineer starts with the vowel sound E, so the correct article is N. If the word started with a consonant sound like and teacher, we would use instead he is a teacher. So the complete sentence is he is an engineer. The correct answer is B. Next one is dash earth revolves around the sun. We use the definite article the before earth because it is unique. There is only one earth. Similarly, we also say the sun because it refers to the one specific sun in our solar system. Using a or an would be incorrect here since earth and sun are unique entities, not one among many. So the correct answer is the. The earth revolves around the sun. The third one is she plays dash football. We do not use articles before names of sports. Saying she plays a football or she plays an football would be incorrect because football here refers to the sports in general, not a specific ball. The rule, no articles with sports. She plays cricket, he plays tennis, they play hockey. So the answer is no article. She plays football. Answer is C. I had dash breakfast. We do not use articles before names of meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, when they are used in general sense. For example, I had lunch at 2 p.m. She is cooking dinner. However, if the meal is qualified or specified, we use an article. I had a late breakfast. We enjoyed the dinner prepared by our host. So the correct answer is I had breakfast. MCQs practice. Dash Nile is a famous river. Answer is C, the Nile. He is dash honest man. A and the. He is an honest man. They play dash cricket daily. A and or no article. They play cricket daily. She bought dash apple. She bought an apple. Let's review. Use a before singular countable nouns that begins with a consonant sounds like a book, a car, a dog, a house, a teacher. Use an before singular countable nouns that begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an elephant, an hour, an umbrella, an orange. Use the before singular and plural nouns to refer to something specific or something mentioned before. We use with superlative degrees, unique pronouns, musical instruments. For example, the book, the car, the dog, the houses, the best, the tallest, the sun, the moon, the violin, the guitar. Basically, articles may look small, but they play a very important role in English grammar. Practice regularly and try making your own sentences. Thank you, everyone. See, kindly subscribe and like and share my channel.